Am I audible and visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what we are saying was the main subject of mathematical logic is mathematical proof. Whatever we are saying here, whatever we are dealing with here is we will have the proof of that. Okay. We'll have more half an hour. Then logic is the basis of all mathematical reasoning and all automated reasoning. Mathematical reasoning means what again? Uh, it is one branch. Okay, reasoning again. We are identifying something. We are expressing something. We are finding new things from that. It is nothing but reasoning. Whatever we are studying, that is nothing but the mathematical reasoning. It all is related with the logic. Okay, getting, and all the automated reasoning. Automated reasoning we use in our uh, programming things, or all the uh, means now we are related with the words automated or automatic things more. We in testing also, as uh, means development is there, means developing stack developers are there, testers are there, QA we call it as them. So in that, those things, automated testing is also we know the term. Okay, so the logic is used there also. Means logic is what? It is the base of all those things. Okay, so what we are dealing with, the rules of logic specify the meaning of mathematical statements. The rules of logic specify the meaning of mathematical statements. What that mathematical statement is going to tell us is nothing but uh, what is there in the logic. Okay, these rules help us understand and reason with statements. These rules help us understand and reason with statements. The rules which are there in the logic that help us to understand, and whatever uh, meaning is there for those statements, with the help of logic we can get that. Okay, we can know that. Then the rules of logic give precise meaning to mathematical statements. Okay, the statements will have the meaning which is logically correct. Okay, these rules are used to distinguish between valid and invalid mathematical arguments. Okay, by specifying the truth values of the statements, we will know the which is the valid statement and which is invalid or which is not valid statement. Okay, then apart from its importance in understanding mathematical reasoning, logic has numerous applications in computer science, varying from design of digital circuits to the construction of computer programs and verification of correctness of the programs. Okay, in digital circuits again, we know the digital circuits again run in the language of 0 and 1, which is the binary language. And here in logic, we are dealing with true and false values. Okay, T and F. So true and false values we are, as we are dealing with. Then what is there? It is same as 0 and 1. Okay, so relating to the logic, the digital designs are there. Okay, then computer programs and verification of correctness of programs. That is also with the help of these logic rules. A proposition is a collection of declarative statements that has either a truth value true or a truth value false. Proposition is what? It is a statement. It is having truth value. It might be true, that is capital T, or it might be false, that is capital F. But that declarative statement is known as proposition. Okay, anything that is declarative statement is the proposition. As suppose my name is Gayatri. It is a statement that is having truth value T. Okay, and suppose I am a student. Actually, that is the word file true, but I am a student is the statement that I want to recognize. What will be there? It is a statement, but with truth value false, because I am your teacher. I am here to teach you. So it is a statement that I am a student, but it is having the truth value F, that is false. A propositional consists of propositional variables and connectives. Okay, now propositions are there. Two propositions are there. My name is Gayatri and I am a teacher. Okay, so again connectives are there to connect them and give the different meaning to them. Okay, for more than two propositions we will have the propositional variables and connectives. Then we denote the proposition variables by capital letters A, B, etc. Okay, capital letters A to Z will be given for the propositions. How? Suppose A is my name is Gayatri. B is I'm a student. Getting? Like this. The connectives connect the proposition variables. Okay. Proposition variables are connected with the help of connectives. In that, conjunction, disjunction, implication, by implication, negation are there, like that. इथपर्यंत काय आलंय सगळ्यांना? We'll see what the statements or propositions are. Then again, I will ask you something. A proposition or statement is a declarative statement that is either true or false, but not both, which is very important. It will either have a true value or it will have a false value. Okay, not both at a time. A proposition will have either a truth value true or a truth value false, but not both at a time. Getting? Means if the statement is saying that it is true also and it is false also, so it will not be a proposition. Okay, then for instance, the following are propositions. Which are propositions here? Paris is in France. Okay, Paris is in France. It is a proposition. Why? Because it is declaring something, that Paris is in France. It is having truth value true, because it is true that we all know Paris is in France. What the second proposition is? London is in Denmark. It is declaring something, that London is in Denmark, but it is having the truth value false. Truth value false. Because we know London is not in Denmark. London is in England. Okay, that is United Kingdom. So it is a statement, London is in Denmark, but its truth value is false. Okay. Then next example is 2 is less than 4. It is true. Declaring something that is 2 is less than 4. It is a truth value true. But 4 is equal to 7. Is it the case? No, 4 is not equal to 7. But it is declaring something. So it is a proposition with truth value false. Okay, truth value false. But it is a proposition. Then if we know what are not the propositions, then this concept gets more clear. Okay. What is your name? It is a question. It is not a proposition. It is not a declarative statement. It is only a question. Okay. Do your homework. Do your homework. As I said, then this is a command. It is not a statement. Okay. Then this statement is false. The next proposition is this statement is false. It is a statement. It is a telling something. It is declaring something that this statement is false. But what is that statement? This means what? We don't know what that this is. If that means it is not having the fixed value, neither true nor false. आपल्याला माहित नाही ते this काय आहे. ओके, मग ते ट्रू आहे का फॉल्स आहे आपण डिफाईन करू शकत नाही. सो दॅट इज नॉट द प्रपोजिशन. ओके, then x is an even number. Again, we don't know the value of x, whether it is even or whether it is odd. मग आपण म्हणू शकतो का ते फॉल्स आहे का ट्रू आहे. आपण त्याची ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू डिफाईन नाही करू शकत आहे जोपर्यंत आपण x ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे ते आपल्याला माहित नाही. सो इट ऑल्सो is not a proposition. Okay, then the next is Socrates. Socrates is the word only. It is not even a sentence. So all these are not the propositions, only the declarative statements which will have the truth value either true or false that come under the proposition. Okay, the truth or falsehood of a proposition is called its truth value. Okay, truth value असते प्रत्येक स्टेटमेंटला, either that might be true or that might be false. Get it? इथपर्यंत कळालंय का सगळ्यांना? सांगा काय स्टेटमेंट्स आहेत आणि काय कुठले नाही ते कळालंय?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so shall we proceed?
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you. Then connectives. Next part is connectives. In that, connectives are used for making compound propositions. The main ones are the following. P and Q represent given propositions. Okay, P and Q are what? The propositions that are declarative statements. Now only we have seen that. Okay, now the connectives we are going to see is negation. What the negation is, how it is denoted, we can see here in the table. Negation P. Okay, many different notations are there. This is one of the notations. Then second is like tilt. You know that tilt in our keyboard, the left hand side first key before one, the which key is there on your keyboard is the tilt. Okay, the tilt is also there to represent the negation. Okay, and what the meaning of that is? Not P. Not P means whatever the P statement is there, opposite of that statement is nothing but the negation. Okay, and it is represented like this. Then conjunction is there. Conjunction means what? P and Q. Meaning of that is P and Q. How it is there denoted? P and Q. Okay, this inverted triangle is there. It is nothing but and sign. Okay, P and Q. P and Q are the propositions that we have, and so the conjunction we can put there between two propositions like this, P and Q. Getting? Next is disjunction. Disjunction means or. P or Q, this triangle types, V types, P or Q. What meaning of it is P or Q? Getting? It is known as P or Q. Then exclusive or is there. Exclusive or is not actually the basic connective. Okay. Then also we are studying it in this table. Exclusive or is denoted like this. A circle is there, and in that positive sign is there. What this meaning is either P or Q, but not both. Either P or Q, but not both. What it is telling is the truth values, means if negation is there, P's truth value is T, that is true, then negation P truth value will be F. Okay. When we will study the truth tables, after that we will study all these things. Okay, so just to keep in mind this table. Okay, implication is there. Implication means just one arrow is there. P is implemented, P is implied to Q. What this means is if P then Q. Okay, if P then Q. And the biconditional is P by implication or biconditional Q. P if and only if Q. What the meaning is? P if and only if Q. If P is true, then if and only if Q is true. Okay. म्हणजे Q true पाहिजे तेव्हाच P true असणार आहे, ट्रू असणार आहे. Okay. It is by implication. We'll study truth tables for these, so you will get the thorough idea of this. Truth tables. Logical identity is an operation on one logical value. Typically, the value of a proposition that produces a value of true if its operand is true, and a value of false if its operand is false. The truth table of logical identity operator is as follows. Means logical identity म्हणजे काय? Same proposition राहणार आहे. P ला P. P true असेल तर त्याचं जे काय आउटकम असेल ते ट्रू असणार आहे. जेव्हा फक्त P हा कन्सिडर होणार आहे. निगेशन नाही किंवा दुसरं कुठलंही कनेक्टिव्ह नाही. ओनली the proposition that we are discussing, that is P to P. Then if P is true, outcome will be true. P is false, then outcome will be false. When there is no any other dependency, it is the case. Okay. Now next is logical negation, what we have seen in the as the first row in the column, that is logical negation. Logical negation is an operation on one logical value, typically the value of a proposition that produces a value of true if its operand is false and a value of false if its operand is true. Here we can see P and negation P. Okay, how it is denoted is also given, not P. The truth table for not P is as follows, also written as negation P like this, and this tilt is also there. We can say tilt. Tilt P is also there for the negation of P. If P is true, negation P is false. If P is false, negation P is true. Getting? Then the logical conjunction is there. Means logical conjunction, what we have seen is P and Q. and operation is there. Logical conjunction is an operation on two logical values, typically the values of two proposition that produces a value of true if both of its operands are true. Okay, the truth table for P and Q, also written as P and Q, like this, P and Q or P dot Q, and the truth table is as follows. Okay, P आणि Q हे दोन प्रपोजिशन्स घेतलेले आहेत आपण. तर त्यामध्ये आपण काय करणार आहे, ट्रू आणि फॉल्सचे सगळे कॉम्बिनेशन्स घेणार आहोत. ओके, सगळे कॉम्बिनेशन्स येण्यासाठी आपल्याला पीच्या व्हॅल्यूज कशा लिहायला लागतात, टी टी एफ एफ, ट्रू ट्रू फॉल्स फॉल्स, आणि क्यूच्या कशा लिहायला लागतात, ट्रू फॉल्स ट्रू फॉल्स. ओके, नाउ वी कॅन सी ऑल द कॉम्बिनेशन्स आर देयर, ट्रू ट्रू, ट्रू फॉल्स, false true and false false. Okay, here it covers all the combinations of true and false for P and Q propositions. Okay, then what the AND operation is, if both the propositions are true, then and then only P and Q is true. P is true, Q is true, then only the P and Q is true. Keep it in mind. If P is true, Q is true, then and then only P and Q is true. If P is true, Q is false, then this P and Q is false. Okay. T F F T again. P proposition is false, that is F, and Q is true, that is T. Both are not T, so one will be, the P and Q result will be F, that is false. Okay, and what about the last section, last row, that is P is false, Q is false, then this P and Q will also be false. Getting? Okay, what the P and Q operation is, both are true, then P and Q is true. If one of them is false, then also the P and Q is false. Okay, only the true value it will give when both the propositions are true. Getting? Now what the logical disjunction is? Logical disjunction is an operation on two logical values, typically the values of two propositions, that produces a value of true if at least one of its operand is true. Okay, the truth table for P or Q is as follows. आता AND ऑपरेशन काय होतं, कंजंक्शन काय होतं, दोन्ही ट्रू असतील तर P and Q ट्रू असणार आहे. आता P और Q मध्ये काय आहे, दोन्ही पैकी एक ट्रू असेल तर P और Q ट्रू असणार आहे. कसं, P is true, Q is true, P or Q is true. P is true, Q is false, P or Q is true. दोन्ही पैकी एक ट्रू आहे, one of them is having the truth value true. Same case is there, P is false, Q is true, then again it will have the true value. Okay, truth value as true, because one of them is true. But in the last row, what it is there, false false. Why is it false? Because none of them is having the truth value T. दोन्ही पैकी एकाची तरी ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू टी असेल तरी टी असेल P और Q, पण लास्ट रो मध्ये तसं नाहीये, सो त्याची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे, F. ओके, सो व्हॉट द लॉजिकल अँड इज, लॉजिकल अँड काय आहे, दोन्हीही ट्रू असतील तर P and Q ट्रू आहे, all other cases it is having false truth value. But in case of P or Q, what it is there, the both the values are true, P or Q is true. one of the value of P and Q is true, then this one is P or Q is T. F T is same there. T is having truth value T, then P or Q is true. But in the last row, both are false. So P or Q will be false. Okay. हे कळालंय? And operation or operation.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll go for the logical implication. What the logical implication is? Logical implication and material conditional are both
Excuse me, ma'am.
Sorry. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, XOR it is remaining. Before this.
Okay. Just a second.
This is remaining. No, ma'am. Not XNOR, XOR.
Just a minute. Okay.
This is remaining.
Yes. Logical disjunction and exclusive disjunction. What I was means it is the slide is added. I will tell you that is not a question, but it doesn't come in the basic connectives. Okay, basic connective is conjunction, disjunction, this implication and equality or biconditional. Okay, this exclusive disjunction is XOR one. It is means it comes in other connectives. Okay, then also we'll go for that, not an issue. Exclusive disjunction is an operation on two logical values, typically the values of two propositions, that produces a value of true if one but not both of its operands are true. Okay, आता हे काय आहे लक्षात घ्या. Both the values are true, then P XOR Q is false. Okay, म्हणजे काय आहे, दोन्ही व्हॅल्यूज सेम असतील, P पण ट्रू आहे, Q पण ट्रू आहे, तर P XOR Q is false. सेम केस, P false आहे, Q false आहे, P or Q is false. P XOR Q is false. But if different values are there, P is true, Q is false, then P XOR Q is true. If P is false, Q is true, then P XOR Q is true. Getting? Distinct values are there. Same असतील P आणि Q च्या values, तर P XOR Q काय असणार आहे? False. Either it might be true or it might be false. But when the distinct values are there for P and Q, the P XOR Q will be true. Okay? कळालं हे? What it is saying is that produces a value of true if one but not both of its operands is true. Only one operand should be true, not both operands should be true. Getting? Both the operands should not have the true value. Okay, only one of the operands will have the true value. इथे तर कुणाचीच ट्रू व्हॅल्यू नाहीये म्हणून इथे फॉल्स आले. इथे दोघांची पण व्हॅल्यू ट्रू आहे म्हणून इथे फॉल्स आले. पण इथे दोघांपैकी एकाचीच व्हॅल्यू ट्रू आहे, सेकंड आणि थर्ड रोला. सो P XOR Q is true in that case only. Getting? Now logical implication. It is very important connective that we have to study. Very, very important connectivities. The logical implication and the material conditional are both associated with an operation on two logical values, typically the values of two propositions, that produces a value of false just in singular case the first operand is true and the second operand is false. The truth table associated with the material conditional if P then Q, and the logical implication P implies Q. हे कसं डिनोट केलं जातं बघा. आता P implies Q म्हणजे काय, हा एक ॲरो दिलेला आहे इथे. ओके, ओनली वन ॲरो इज देअर. इफ पी देन क्यू, इफ पी देन क्यू. ओके, किंवा पी इम्प्लाइज क्यू, दोन्हीचं मिनिंग सेम आहे. पी इम्प्लाइज क्यू काय किंवा इफ पी देन क्यू काय. ॲरो असाही लिहिला जातो आणि ॲरो आपला सिंपल ॲरो पण असतो. ओके, नाउ विल सी द ट्रूथ टेबल. व्हॅल्यूज पी इम्प्लाइज क्यू च्या काय आहेत. इफ पी इज ट्रू, क्यू इज ट्रू, पी इम्प्लाइज क्यू इज ट्रू. Okay, P implies Q is true. If P is true and Q is false, if P is true, Q is false, then P implies Q is false. पहिलं प्रपोजिशन जे काय आहे ते ट्रू आहे, दुसरं प्रपोजिशन फॉल्स आहे. इन दॅट केस P implies Q is false. Okay. Then in third row, what it is? P is false, Q is true, then P implies Q is true. If P is false, Q is false, then P implies Q is true. All the other cases are having truth value true except this one. Except this one. If P is true, Q is false, P implies Q is false. If P is true, Q is false, P implies Q is false. Okay, got this one? Logical implication. When we are studying the inference concept in second unit, this is very, very important. Okay, if P then Q. Okay, if P then Q, it is false in case only P is true and Q is false. Getting? P implies Q is false in case only P is true and Q is false. Truth table कळाला का implications आहे सगळ्यांना?
Yes.
Okay, only one case is here when P implies Q is false. If P is true and Q is false. In all the other cases, true, true, false, true, false, false, it is having the truth value true. Only this second row, P is true and Q is false, P implies Q is false. Okay, then we only have 3 minutes remaining to end this meeting. I will explain this equality or biconditional operation to you. If meeting gets end, we will stop here. Okay, just put your roll number immediately, quickly in the chat box as you are attending. You don't have roll numbers?
No, ma'am, we don't.
Okay, then don't worry. I will check the recording and then I can know that who were present. Don't worry about your attendance. Okay. आता जर मीटिंग एंड झाली तर एंड होऊ देत, परत जॉईन होऊ नका. तुमचा 11 वाजता पुन्हा पायथॉनचं ट्रेनिंग आहे. गेटिंग? मी हे पटकन तुम्हाला क्विकली सांगते आणि नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला आपण रिवाइज तर करू. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दॅट. What biconditional is? We will directly go to the truth table. If P is true, Q is true, P biconditional Q is true. If P is true, Q is false, this biconditional is false. If P is false, Q is true, this biconditional is false. But if P is false, Q is false, then P biconditional is true, having the truth value true. When both are same, to keep in mind what we want to recognize is, if both are same, P is true, Q is true, or P is false, Q is false, both are same. In that case only this P biconditional Q is true. Okay, but if both are distinct, means one is true, one is false, or first is false, second is true, then this P biconditional Q is false. Are you getting the concept that it is exactly opposite of XOR operation that we have seen here? इथे काय पाहिलं आपण? both values are distinct, then only this P XOR Q is true. But in case of this biconditional or equality, what it is? If both are different, then this P biconditional Q is false. If both are true or both are false, then only this biconditional is having the truth value T. Okay. P biconditional Q is having truth value T. What it is an operation on two logical values, typically the values of propositions, that produces a value of true if both operands are false or both operands are true. Both the operands will have the same value. P is true, Q is true. P is false, Q is false. Then this biconditional